Welcome to the supermarket series. Okay, I'm in the dreaded free from section of the supermarket. I absolutely hate this section. I'm actually going to start to talk to you about naked bars, because naked bars have become really popular in the last few years, and yeah, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about them. Little known fact about me, they used to be called Lara bars, and I was one of the first people to actually help distribute them in the UK, and I was involved in the marketing in the UK. A few years ago they got sold to Naked. Now I know that the original ethos behind them when they were invented by the lovely Lara was they literally contained only 3 or 4 ingredients tops. You know, most of them only had 2 ingredients, so they were really good whole food. They had enough nut in them so that when there was fruit in there, it would balance out, so it wouldn't spike the blood sugars, because there'd be enough fat to fruit ratio. Now, Naked took them over, and since, I think there used to be about 6 flavours of Lara bars, and since Naked took them over, it's now, really diverse. It's just really massive. It's great to see them expand. However, there are some things that I really do have issue with when it comes to naked bars. So let's take one of the original ones. Let's take the Cashew Cookie. The apple pie one is also one of the original ones. And the original ones, the ingredients are cashews and dates. Are brilliant, and you can see that there's more in the cashews, that's fat. There's more fat than the dates, which is just sugar, so it means that it's not going to spike your blood sugars. Cashew Cookie, awesome. Let me now try and find you. Yeah, okay, so this is one of their new ones, Rhubarb and Custard, and this has got dates, cashews, and it's also got raisins. So all of a sudden our sugar content has far exceeded the fat content, so these are no longer blood sugar stabilizing. The other problem is it says 100% natural ingredients on it, but it says on there a hint of natural flavoring, and I go, you see that, a hint of natural flavoring, and I go, yeah, but what's the natural flavouring? And I get a little bit suspicious when a company's not going to tell me that. Even if they told me it was a bit of rhubarb juice or something, I'd be happier. I'm trying to find one that I know that they have added in. I probably won't be able to find it now. Let's see. They have added in, to some of them, they've added in oats, which I personally feel is a massive step back, because I remember Lara didn't want to have any grains in there because she was really trying to make these, appropriate for everyone. So the fact that people got into not having naked bars with grains in, and then they've come in and added oats, I actually think is a real step back. We come on to something like the Strawberry Crunch, and this is actually just full of soya protein, apple juice, tapioca starch. Not a good thing. So basically, the underlying rule is, if you are going to be looking at naked bars, go for the ones, check the back, go for the ones with the minimal ingredients where the fat outweighs the sugar.